Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find comment on X. So for you to be able to find comment on your X app, you have to open it on your phone. Once you open it, for example, this, if the comment, if the post that you want to check the comment has image, if you tap on the image, it's not going to show the comment. So for you to be able to view the comment part, you have to click on the text. So I'm just going to click on the text part of the post like this. I'm going to tap on it, then instead of tap on the image, because if you tap on the image, you only load the image but to not bring out the main post file. From here you can now scroll down, then from there you can see the available comment on the post. You can see the available comment. You can see right here, these are your comments on it, those are the comments, these are the comments on the post. And if you want to check or find the hidden comments, just tap on this three dot icon at the right top corner. You tap on it, then you tap on view hidden reply. Then right here, there's no hidden replies for this particular post, and that's it. Find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.